Alrighty, so what we got here is we got a little gasification experiment going on. Cass, show them the fire. Come on over here, show them the fire. What we got is a paint can loaded up with some wood chips, and I took the apparatus from my turkey fryer, put the paint can into that. We got an 18-inch piece of 3/4-inch gas pipe going to one of my girlfriend's leftover soup cans that I punched a hole in, and we got a whole bunch of smoke coming out. Well, in that smoke, we will see in a second here. Light our ignition source. We can see that smoke will burn, because that's just not ordinary smoke. Well, it kind of is just ordinary smoke, but that's what we call wood gas, or syngas, some people call it. And what's happening here is a chemical reaction. It's exactly the same kind of chemical reaction that happens when they make gasoline out of crude oil, and diesel, propane, and all the stuff that comes from crude oil. Only in this paint can we got wood chips. And those wood chips are being heated up above 408 degrees Fahrenheit. And when they get heated up, wood gets heated up above 408 degrees Fahrenheit, what happens is that the hydrocarbons start cracking out of it. So it releases hydrogen and carbon dioxide, both of which are flammable gases, in with this smoke. Included in the smoke would be some creosote and a little bit of methane, which is also flammable. And so what happens is that the wood releases that gas, which expands, makes its way into that burner, and you can see the burner is swirling around. The reason we do that is because it'll be like a blowtorch, really, really high pressure coming out of that paint can, and it'll make it really, it'll blow itself out. And so we use what we call the swirl burner in the soup can, and it swirls around. That's why I made it go in there on an angle to slow the velocity of the gas down, so that it'll make it easier to combust. And you can use that wood gas to run a car on. They used to do that in World War II when they didn't have petroleum and gas, because it was all being used for the war effort. And so basically that's the way that it works. Alrighty? Pretty cool.